Gather around, kiddies, we need to have a little chat. Now, some of you, you know who you are. You're going straight to the naughty corner. Uncle Nicko, he's taken off his belt and he's going to give you a big smack on the butt. Now, over the last couple of weeks, I have been reading a lot of posts on social media and also on the forums regarding this product found on Amazon. It is a replacement turbine casing for the DreamStation 1 with new foam. Ooh, new foam. And if it's found on Amazon, you know it's good foam, don't you? I'll read you what's on the front. Sound abatement foam set, made of polyether urethane, which is of better resistance to high heat and high humidity, makes this product better resistant to degradation. I mean, that title alone is enough to make you run for the hills. What else we got here? If you have any advice or questions, if you've got any advice for the company, just email them. Email us through after-sales services. So just type that email in, after-sales space services, and they'll get back to you within the next decade. Now, look, I'm just taking the piss here, but you know, this is a serious discussion, if I can try and keep it serious. All right, let's have a look what we got inside here. Here it is. This is the turbine casing, and I have to hand it to them. It's a damn good copy, guys. Like, they've nailed the design. It's virtually identical. It's very sturdy. The materials used almost seem identical as well. So as far as the casing goes, I'm really happy with the casing. And you can see there, you know, the foam inside there. And they also give you a little foam sample. So you can open it up and have a bit of a feel of the foam so that you can feel it's safe, guys. See, if you do this is how you test a foam for safety. You just sort of pull it apart and then you know it's good. 60% of the time, works every time.
Yep, it's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's a formidable scent. It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
They've done studies, you know. 60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
They give you a little foam sample, and they've also got here a little certificate which you can frame and put on the wall of your bedroom so that you know it's looking over you and it's going to keep you nice and safe over night time. Now, look, honestly, guys, have I not taught you anything over the last 6 months of me sitting here staring down this lens and talking to you about foam? I mean, think about it. Let's think about it for 5 seconds. Just stop and think. Do you honestly believe that this random Chinese seller on Amazon has gone and done all the independent safety tests to make sure that this foam is not off-gassing and the VOCs and the toxic chemicals? Hell no. Of course they haven't. If there's a problem, poof, they disappear. That's the crows. The crows are back. Not the crows. Not the crows. Anything but the crows. Anyway, I sent an email to the company. I sent it to after-sales space services to express my concerns, to let the company know that they're playing a very risky game, creating this medical component without probably having thorough testing. And they agreed with me. And I suggested to them that the casing which they've made is excellent. And perhaps they should just forget about the foam. And just make an empty casing. And if they do that, I said I might even do a few videos myself on how to install that casing. It's only $30 because it might just help you get you through the next 4 or 6 months or whatever it's going to be, so that you can perhaps get a new machine, because that's the end game here, guys, yeah? It's just to get you through. I mean, we don't want people using Philips machines, full stop. So the company is sending me a few samples without the foam, just the casing. I'll check it out, put it in my DreamStation 1, make sure it's nice and safe, and that everything's working fine. And if it is, I'm going to do some proper videos on it, and hopefully that'll help you out. All right, guys, so in the meantime, no more posts regarding the foam version. It's just dumb. Thanks for watching, guys. Look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.